gonna be doing something a little different today. Well, it is an unboxing of Grove Collaborative. I'm not sure if any of you have heard of that. I saw it, I think this one was on Instagram, and I've seen it before, but this time I just kind of decided to click on it and see what it's all about, and I really like it. I mean, I really like what they stand for. Their products seem very environmentally friendly. So I'm just gonna do a little unboxing. I got a few things I'll show you guys, and you'll have to let me know what you think. This isn't sponsored at all. I just went ahead and bought all this stuff, and a lot of it I got for free. Your first order, it seems like they give you tons of stuff for free. So let's get into it. Here's this cute little bucket. I think I could put this, I don't know if I like, to show that, but if I put it this way, I think it'd be really cute with some soap in it, maybe on the kitchen sink or the bathroom sink. I don't know, we'll see. As you can see, I decided to put that bucket on my dresser as decor. I just think it looks so cute. And that tissue box, you will see that coming up soon. And then it looks like they packed a whole bunch of stuff inside of it. So I'll just show you what we got. Here's some kitchen compost bags. These are pretty cool. I don't know. I guess I've never done compost before, but maybe I'll start. Walnut and cellulose scrubber sponge. It's a tough scrubber with a soft touch is what it says. So yeah, very nice. Some hand sanitizer gel. It came with 3 reusable cotton face masks. Actually, maybe I'll pull these out quick and see what they look like. They feel really nice. And they're really cute. It's kind of a striped gold and white and like a teal color or turquoise. I don't know. I always get those two mixed up. And then like a darker turquoise, but they feel really nice. They feel like really good quality, and this is stretchy, which I love. So yeah, there's those. And then I got a glass cleaner. That's hard to say. Glass cleaner concentrate, which I will show you the bottles that I ordered to put them in. And then I got, there's 2 glass cleaners. And then a multi-purpose cleaner, which smells really good. I can smell it through oh yeah, that smells really good. Kind of lemony. So yeah, you can smell it right through the cardboard it's on. And then here's a handcrafted soap bar, rosemary and lavender. Cute. All right, so that's all that's in this. This is a box of tissues. I think this was actually one of the free things. So I don't know, we'll see. Some free and clear dishwasher detergent packs. Yeah, these will be interesting. A stoneware tray, and I think I'm gonna probably put this in my bathroom because my sink doesn't have a whole lot of room on it to put, unless maybe I put plants on it. I'm not sure yet. So here's that. Wow. This is really nice, like really nice ceramic, thick ceramic. Yeah, this would, I don't know. I mean, you could do so many things with this. Put soap on it. You could, I don't know, put a cup on it. I might even just put a couple of my smaller plants on it. I think that might look pretty. I don't know. You guys tell me what you think. I thought this would look good on the back of my toilet. I just wasn't sure where to put it, but I think it turned out pretty cute. Let me know what you guys think. And then here is some compostable cleaning wipes. I think they're like kitchen cleaning wipes, or actually probably any cleaning wipes. I thought these would be kind of cool to try. I'm gonna try these out and see how they do. Method Anti-Bac Toilet Bowl Cleaner. This is gonna be interesting too. My toilet bowls just, they're so stained from the iron water we have. I mean, we do have a water softener, but sometimes it just doesn't work very well. I don't know. We might need to purchase a new one or something, who knows. But I do really like the Lysol Lime and Rust, because that gets rid of a lot of I cannot talk. Gets rid of a lot of the stains. But I mean, I would like to have something a little more, I don't know, environmentally friendly, or, you know, home friendly, just non-toxic maybe. This might be it. We'll see. I got some calming shampoo and bubble bath. This is for my stepson, really. He has such sensitive skin, and we'll see if this works. I want to smell it. Oh yeah, that smells so good, like lavender, if you guys like lavender. Yeah. Very nice. Oh, and it comes with a little card. This is really cute. This is a little envelope it came in. We believe making healthy choices should be easy. I agree. We're so happy you're here. Peek inside to learn more about Grove and how your next order will work. So that's cool. They kind of tell you how everything goes on here, what you have to do and all that. That's really neat. Okay, cool. All right, and then I got 3 of these really pretty glass bottles, and these all came free. They're glass. I mean, this is obviously plastic, but and then they have this nice thing to keep it from, you know, obviously to grip. But yeah, I got 3 of these. I got, I think one of them I'm gonna give to my daughter, because she likes all this sustainable, you know, environmentally friendly stuff. So I'm gonna do that for her. And then let's see the other color. I think this is the other color. Yep. So I got 2 this color, and then 1 this. So pretty. I love this. Is, I think, my favorite color. It's like an aqua, turquoise, teal. I don't know. But yeah, they have the little Grove symbol here. I think that's really cute too. So yeah, I got 2 of those, or 3 of those. Here's the last one. And I'm gonna leave it in the box because it's just the same color. I thought I'd get the label maker out and label both of the glass spray bottles. Also, I just wanted to show you what it said on the back and how to put the concentrate. You just dump the whole thing into the bottle and then fill it up with water and shake it. Super simple. And I didn't try it yet, so that will be in a future video. Here's how it looks after labeled and shook up and everything is all done. Can't wait to try it. I don't know, what do you guys think? I think this stuff is really nice. I mean, it seems to all be really good quality, and it seems to be, you know, good for the environment. I think all of it is like non-toxic stuff. Okay, thank you for watching. If you guys like this, please leave a thumbs up and let me know in the comments. I could do more things like this. So let me know what you think, and everybody have a wonderful day. Love to all, and I will see you next time.